This is the first time we're going to send humans to the moon, and we're going to have humans in low Earth orbit. That is awesome.
Did a NASA astronaut just admit that we've never been to the moon before? Thankfully, no. The first time we're going to have humans on the moon and in low Earth orbit. Low Earth orbit is this area around space. It's very close to Earth. It's where the space stations are. But space stations and people living in space didn't really start happening until after the Apollo missions, and more permanently, until the International Space Station in 1998. So, the next mission to the moon will be the first time that humans are around the moon and in low Earth orbit at the same time. Listen to the rest of what he says.
We should, as humanity, we should take a brief moment to go, that's awesome. One of the things that we most asked for and look forward to is we are going to do a crew conference between Integrity and the International Space Station, the crew that's up there.
He's literally answering a question and talking about how they're going to do a conference call from around the moon to low Earth orbit to the International Space Station at the same time, both astronauts in both places. This wasn't possible before because there weren't astronauts in lunar orbit and in low Earth orbit at the same time during the Apollo missions. It's commentary on how much the space industry has changed since the 60s and 70s. Just for reassurance, he also said this in the press conference.
We've been to the moon in Apollo, and so when we would go into this training and they're talking about us looking at the moon.
Going to the moon is possibly the coolest and most historic thing that humans have ever done, and being suspicious of it is totally fine, but being purposely deceitful? A little odd. And this astronaut probably doesn't think that people are going to clip him like that, so yeah, he worded it poorly. But he's talking about some incredibly cool engineering that should be the focus.